Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 2502 50th Avenue, Mr. Border City. Today, look at this beautiful pre-owned 2019 Ford Explorer Titanium. The exterior color is black, and under the hood is a 2-liter engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. At the front, we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps. Over to the side, we have 18-inch aluminum wheels and wrapped in Hankook tires, as well as color-matched handles and mirror caps. This 2019 Explorer also comes remote start, as well as an engine block heater. At the rear, we have a power lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior, we have driver-friendly features and power locks, power windows, as well as mirror signs and door storage. Making our way to the cabin, you'll see your lovely black leather seating with adjustments located on the side, as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a tilt steering wheel, our acoustical options on the left, and a median hands-free option on the right, which is developing a rearview mirror with our cabin lighting. Looking forward to this 2019 Explorer, you see has 94,875 kilometers on it, as well as over our center face, the options available such as our audio, climate control, phone integration, navigation, application, and settings, which is below being a climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating to our cabin. Alongside that, we have heated seats, cooling seats, and a heated steering wheel. If there are any more questions about the beautiful pre-owned 2019 Ford Explorer Titanium, then please don't hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answer any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.